Friends, welcome to our grammar class. How are you? Oh, I hope you are fine. Okay, in our grammar textbook, we learned about naming words, common naming words, and proper naming words. Then, which type of naming words? We already learned about that. Naming words, different kinds. In our textbook, we are discussing different kinds of naming words. Okay, first one, common and proper naming word, then singular and plural naming words, then gender naming words, then in our last class we discussed or we learned possessive naming words, possessive words. Okay, then today let's discuss another type of naming word. Let's discuss another type of naming words. Do you know? In our first standard, we already learned this topic. Today, let's start our new chapter or sixth chapter. The chapter name is I, we, you. Then, do you remember these words? He, she, it, and they. This is our sixth chapter. Do you remember these words? Do you remember these words? These words have a name. What is that? What is that? Do you remember that? These words are known as pronouns. Pronouns. Say another type of a noun or a naming word. Okay, pronouns. Which are the pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay. What is the meaning of I? I. Yes, we. I, we means ഞങ്ങൾ, we. Then you, yes, me. Next, he, അവൻ. Next, she, അവൾ, it, ഇത്, they, our. Okay, do you remember? Do you know that? Do you know these word meanings? Okay. Words that all of you look at the page number 15. All of you take it page number 15 and look at your textbook. Words that are used in a place of naming words are called pronouns. Words that are used in place of naming words are called pronouns. What is that? Words. എന്താണ് വേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ ഉപയോഗം? used in a place of naming words. Naming wordന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ, നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിന് പകരം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്സുകളാണ് എന്ത്? Pronouns. Naming വേർഡിന് പകരം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡ്സുകൾ pronouns. Okay, all of you look at your textbook. Read these sentences. All of you read with me. My name is Karthik. My name is Karthik. I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. Which word is underlined? Which is underlined words? Yes, Karthik. My name is Karthik. എൻ്റെ പേര് കാർത്തികാണ്. I am 7 years old. ഞാൻ 7 വയസ്സുകാരനാണ് അല്ലേ? ഞാൻ 7 വയസ്സുകാരനാണ്. Here the word first underlined word is Karthik. My name is Karthik. ഇതിന് പകരമായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന വേർഡാണ് ഇത് ഐ. മൈ നെയിം ഈസ് കാർത്തിക്. എൻ്റെ പേര് കാർത്തികാണ്. ഞാൻ 7 വയസ്സുകാരനാണ്. ഓക്കെ, My name is Karthik and I am 7 years old. Okay, next, Jaya and I are neighbors. Jaya and I, which is the underlined words, Jaya and I. Jaya and I. Jaya and I are neighbors. Jaya ഞാനും neighbors ആണ്. Neighbors means yes, അയൽപക്കക്കാർ. We are friends. അണ്ടർലൈൻ പകരം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ്, അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്ത നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സിന് പകരം ഉപയോഗിച്ച വേർഡ്സ് ഏതാണ്? We are friends. We are friends. We are friends. ജയ ആൻഡ് ഐ, ഒരു വേർഡും ഒരു ഐ ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിന് എന്ത് പ്രോനൗൺ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രോനൗൺ ആണത്? വി. ജയ ആൻഡ് ഐ ആർ നൈബേഴ്സ്. വി ആർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. ഓക്കെ, then Swadhi, dad will take you to the market. Swadhi, dad will you take to the market. Swadhi, dad will take you to the market. Dad, അതായത് നിന്റെ പപ്പ നിന്നെ മാർക്കറ്റിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകും. സ്വാതി, യു, നിന്നെ, യു മീൻസ് നീ, നിന്നെ. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, അർജുൻ ഈസ് മൈ ബ്രദർ. അർജുൻ ഈസ് മൈ ബ്രദർ. He studies in class first. Arjun is my brother. Arjun is my brother. Arjun is my brother. He studies in class first. അവൻ 1ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അർജുൻ എൻ്റെ ബ്രദറാണ്, അവൻ 1ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. വിച്ച് വൺ ഈസ് നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ്? നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ഇസ് അർജുൻ ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് pronoun is he. He used for a boy or a man. Okay, then Divya is my classmate. Divya is my classmate. She is helpful. She is helpful. Which one is underlined words? Divya. Then which word is blue color? She. Divya is my classmate. Divya is my classmate. She is helpful. Okay, the tiger is a wild animal. The tiger is a wild animal. Which one is an underlined word? Which one is underlined word? Tiger. So which is the pronoun? Yes, tiger is an animal, so the pronoun is it. It lives in the jungle. It lives in the jungle. Okay, next, Mithali and Purva are my cousins. Mithali and Purva are my cousins. They are older than me. They are older than me. Okay, they are older than me. Did you understand these stories? Did you understand these sentences? ഓരോ പ്രോനൗണും ഏതിനൊക്കെ പകരമായിട്ടാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇവിടെ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. മൈ നെയിം ഈസ് കാർത്തിക്. ഐ ആം 7 years old. മൈ നെയിം ഈസ് കാർത്തിക്. എൻ്റെ പേര് കാർത്തികാണ്, ഞാൻ 7 വയസ്സുകാരനാണ്, അല്ലേ? ഞാൻ, ഐ മീൻസ് ഞാൻ. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ജയ ആൻഡ് ഐ. ഒരു നെയിമിംഗ് ബോർഡും ഒരു വേർഡും ഒരു നെയിമും ഒരു അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഐയും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ഞാനും വേറെ ഒരാളുടെ നെയിമും ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഞങ്ങൾ ആവും, വി. അറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ടൈം വി ആർ യൂസിങ് വി. ഇനി വേറെ ഏതോ രണ്ടാളുടെ നെയിമാണെങ്കിൽ വാട്ട് വി യൂസ്? The names are two other persons, that is they. And all of you look at the last sentence, Mithali and Purva. Mithali and Purva. Okay, then when what is a pronoun for a name of a boy or a man? ഒരു മാനിൻ്റെ ഒരു ബോയിൻ്റെ നെയിം ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കും pronoun? Yes, he. Then at that time of girl, she. Okay, good. Next, if the naming word is in name of animal, what we use? Okay, it. Okay, understand? Okay, in these sentences, the words in blue are the pronouns. Okay, they are used in a place of the underlined naming words. Okay, we use the pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they to show who or what does the action in a sentence. ഈ വേർഡ്സുകൾ which are the words pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they, ഈ വേർഡ്സുകൾ എന്താ കാണിക്കുന്നത് who or what does the action in a sentence. ആ സെൻറ്റൻസിലെ ആരാണ് അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താണെന്ന് പറയുന്ന വേർഡ്സുകളാണിത് pronouns. Okay, we usually use it for babies, animals and things. Babies, animals and things. Babies, animals and things. Which is the pronoun? It. What is that? It. Animals, things and babies. These words used in it. Okay, understand? Then all of you turn to the next page. Let's do our exercise. Exercise letter A. First one, circle the pronouns. Some sentences are given here. Circle the pronouns in each sentence. Circle the pronouns in each sentences. Also underline the naming words. They are used in place of. Circle the pronouns. Then underline the naming words. They are used in a place of. They are used in a place of. Underline the naming word, then circle the pronouns. Okay, understand? Listen. First sentence. Uma has a younger brother. Uma has a younger brother. He is 3 years old. Uma has a younger brother. ഉമ്മയ്ക്ക് ഒരു younger brother ഉണ്ട്. Dash. He is 3 years old. He is 3 years old. അവൻ എത്ര വയസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ട്? 3 വയസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഉമ്മ ഹാസ് എ യങ്ങർ ബ്രദർ. ഉമ്മയ്ക്ക് എന്താണ് ഒരു യങ്ങർ ബ്രദർ ഉണ്ട്. അവനോ ഹീ. ഇവിടെ ബ്രദറിനെയാണ് പറയുന്നത്, ഉമ്മയെ അല്ല പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. ഉമ്മയെ അല്ല റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, പകരം ബ്രദറിനെയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്തത്? He is 3 years old. Okay, this sentence already done there. Then all of you look at the second one. Sharmila is going to school. Sharmila is going to school by car. Sharmila is going to school by car. She missed her school bus. Sharmila is going to school by car. Sharmila സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നത് കാറിലാണ്. She missed her school bus. അവൾക്ക് എന്ത് സ്കൂൾ ബസ് മിസ്സായി. So which one is the naming word and which one is the pronoun? Naming word is given in the first sentence and pronoun is given in the second sentence. Which one is the? Sharmila is going to school by car. She missed her school. But here in this sentence there are so many naming words. Here the pronoun is the she. She missed her. She missed her school bus. അവൾക്ക് അവളുടെ സ്കൂൾ ബസ് നഷ്ടമായി. So which one is the naming word? She is representative to school. Is it for car? No. She is used for the name of a girl. He is used for name of a girl. The name of a girl is Sharmila. So all of you underline the word Sharmila, then circle the word she. Okay, understand? Then third one, Leena and Vibha. Leena and Vibha are my friends. Leena and Vibha are my friends. They live nearby. Leena and Vibha are my friends. They live nearby. Leenയും വിബയും എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആണ്. They live nearby. അവർ ഞങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്താണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത്. Here, which one is a pronoun? They live nearby. You know very well. They is the pronoun. They is the pronoun. So, which one is a proper noun? Sorry. Which one is the naming word? They. Here not a friends. Here Leena and Vibha. These are the two. Another here there are two naming words. Two naming words. Two another persons. Leena and Vibha. Leena and Vibha are my friends. So this is the naming words. They is used for Leena and Vibha. Okay, understand? Okay, next one. Can we go to the fourth sentence? Did you finish? Okay, then fourth one, Doris liked reading this storybook. Fourth one, Doris. Doris liked Doris liked reading this storybook. It has lot of pictures. Listen, here Doris liked reading this storybook. It has lot of pictures. Which one is the naming word? Doris? Is it correct? Doris is a naming word. But here we want to underline these words. No. Listen. Which one is? And first listen. Which one is a pronoun? It. Which one is a pronoun? It. It has a lot of pictures. It has a lot of pictures. It has a lot of pictures. Here the pronoun is it. It is not for Doris. Here setting. It is used for or thing or animal or baby. Here Doris is not the naming word. Here the naming word is storybook. Here the naming word is storybook. Storybook. Okay. Doris liked to read storybook. Doris ne storybook വളരെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു. Because it has a lot of pictures. അതിൽ എന്തുണ്ട്? ഒരുപാട് pictures ഉണ്ട്. Okay. Storybook is the naming word and it is the pronoun. Okay. Then Aditya, you have to finish this drawing now. Aditya, you have to finish this drawing now. Aditya, you have to finish this drawing now. Drawing finish cheyyanam. Aditya, you. Aditya is the naming word and you is the pronoun. All of you underline the word Aditya and circle the word you. Underline the word Aditya and circle the word you. Okay. Then we need to polish our shoes. We need to polish our shoes. We need to polish our shoes. They look dirty. We need to polish our shoes. They look dirty. We need to polish our shoes. നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഷൂ പോളിഷ് ചെയ്യണം. They look dirty. They look dirty. അതെന്താണ്? വൃത്തികേടായിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? അത് കാണാൻ എന്തായാലും വൃത്തികേടായിട്ടുണ്ട്. Which one is a naming word and which one is the pronoun? We need to polish our shoes. We need to polish our shoes. Here, in these sentences, there are two pronouns. Which one is the correct one? We need to polish our shoes. Shoes is the naming word. Shoes is the naming word. And pronoun is they. Here, they is used for the naming word shoes. They is used for the naming word shoes. Shoe. All of you underline the word shoes. All of you underline the word shoes. Then circle the word, circle the pronoun they. Circle the word they. Okay? Did you finish? Did you finish? Did you understand which one is which are the pronouns? Okay. Then let's do the next exercise. Let's do the next exercise. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns. One has been done for you. Blank, fill in the blanks with the suitable pronoun ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന സെന്റൻസ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. Are you ready? Okay. First one, do not eat too many sweets. Dash are bad for your teeth. Do not eat too many sweets. Do not eat too many sweets. നീ അധികം മധുരം കഴിക്കരുത്. Dash are bad for your teeth. Here they are bad for your teeth. Sweets, many sweets, many sweets. Singular name. Sweet is a thing. അതായത് സ്വീറ്റ് എന്നത് എന്താണ്? നെയിം ഓഫ് പേഴ്സൺ അല്ല അല്ലേ? പിന്നെ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ദേ അവിടെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചത്? സ്വീറ്റ്, സ്വീറ്റ് എന്നത് ഒരു തിങ് ആണ്, തിങ്സ് ആണ് അല്ലേ? സ്വീറ്റ്സ് എന്നത് തിങ്സ് ആണ്. തിങ്സിന് പകരം എന്താ ഉപയോഗിക്കുക? പ്രോനൗൺ ഇറ്റ്. Here the word is sweets. Sweets is the plural form. So a used in they. Plural form ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചത് they. Plural form ആയതുകൊണ്ട് they. Do not eat too many sweets. They are bad for your teeth. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു ബേബി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അനിമൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തിങ്സ്, അതിന് പകരം ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്ന പ്രോനൗൺ ആണിത് ഇറ്റ്. ഇറ്റ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുക എപ്പോഴാണ്? അത് സിംഗുലർ നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുള്ളൂ? ഇറ്റ്. അതർവൈസ് വി വാണ്ട് ടു യൂസ് ദേ. ഓക്കെ, ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്? ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 sentences are given. In these sentences, all of you read the sentences carefully and find the pronouns. Find the pronouns. Which one is the pronouns? ഓരോ സെന്റൻസിലും തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന നെയിമിംഗ് വേർഡിനെ കണ്ടെത്തിയിട്ട് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്തോളൂ, എന്നാലേ നമുക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവും. Then all of you read the sentences very well, then find the naming word, underline, then fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Okay, this is your homework. Let's check the answer in the next class. This is your homework. All of you mark in the homework. Then don't worry if you have no idea, if you can't do this, don't worry. Let's revise the next class. Let's discuss these portions in the next class. Okay? Okay, understand? Okay, this is your homework. All of you try. All of you try to do this exercise. Okay. Then, dear students, let's wind up our class. Do you remember what we discussed in our class? Yes, today we discussed about pronouns. Which are the pronouns? I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Okay, these are the pronouns. Pronouns are the used in a place of naming words. Naming words in a place. Naming words words pronouns. Okay, all of you read your textbook very well. Then make the understand. Then complete. And all of you try to do your homework. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.